Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, February 13th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. It was kind of a funky day today, although we made some money. But I'll show you that this is the short view of the Dow. Dow took off like a bird right at the beginning this morning, and then kind of got limp for the rest of the day, although it certainly didn't sell off. We still, officially, the Dow's up about 100 points here, 118 points officially. So even though it kind of went slack um, as the day went on, this is still looks real good for the Dow. We are closing in on 26,000 here, and I think if I have another update tomorrow, I'm going to show you the long shot to just show you how um, actually we're getting pretty darn close to those all-time highs again. So this looks pretty good, and we didn't have a bad day today. Well, I'm gonna say it felt like a bad day, but I'll tell you why. Uh, right after the open, we our equity was up like at 16,000. I think that's what I did the screenshot on right after the open this morning, and that really looked good. And we could really use a $16,000 day right now. But then, just like the Dow slacked off today, our equities slacked off, and by the time we got out of that, we had positive $6,000. Now, $6,000 isn't bad, and it actually was a little bit better than what we had in open trade equity yesterday on the close, but nevertheless, basically we saw $10,000 dissolve into well, we saw a $10,000 uh, okay, our how do I want to say our equity went down the drain from 16,000 to 6,000 within the first hour. So that is kind of a discouraging way to start out the day. And then we had this pattern here that I complain about a lot. We have a big push up right at the beginning of the day, and then it slacks off. And what happens is we end up getting into um, a bunch of positions there, and then they all go negative. And that's what happened today. We only got into 6 positions, but I only one was positive, 5 were negative, and we're carrying negative $2,000 going into tomorrow. So negative $2,000, no big deal, but still, uh, if things go like they always have, that is that isn't going to get positive tomorrow, and there is always a possibility it could get quite a bit worse than 2000. So we'll just try and remain optimistic there, but I don't particularly like it. And then the other thing is, even though we're made $6,000 today and are closed out, I don't have a single chart to put up here that I want to talk about too much. Everything kind of looks like, well, we had some good positions at the beginning of the day, but by the time we got out, they look considerably worse. So I have no charts to show you today, except it was kind of a funky day, but we made a little money. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.